Hi there, welcome to Dino Dragon Games. Today with the vlog, I am making the live system. The first thing I'm going to do is, first of all, is organize my stuff, move things where I was, and one of the things I'm going to do, I'm at 84 subscribers, and if I get 100 subscribers, I will do a foot reveal. And by the time I get to 1,000 subscribers, I will do a face reveal. That would be cool, right? Anyway, so here's me just doing some other things like I created the same glass blueprint, but just making it into a blueprint widget blueprint and not a editor one. Just basically, but you can see how I made it. So yeah, I'm just taking the image, anchor it to the center. Yeah, just do stuff. And I'm just gonna take the image and place it there. And I'm just going to create a timeline that make it fade away. So within 3 seconds. So there we go. Alright. So this is basically just making keyframes to do that. Let's see what I'm doing. Yeah, just adding the keyframes. So I'm just using the other blueprint as a reference. So that would be cool. So here's me creating the keyframes. And see, there we go. Trying to find the value which I want to change. Okay, now I'm creating keyframes. So I'm taking like every second, just kind of moving it along and making it about 3 seconds. And now I have a fade. Sweet. And all I do is just take a look at that and just create the start animations. So that's real simple there. Alright, and between this clip and the next clip I'm at, and here's me just kind of setting up for next thing. But one of the things I want to do is move the blueprint into the game mode. I ended up putting all this mechanics inside the player pawn and not the game mode. It's kind of a long story, but I will get to it. So here am I making the all the blueprints that we have here and put it in the game mode. So that would be cool. Let's see. Let's take in. Let's take a look. So, yeah. So I did that. So I basically did the same thing that I did, but put it in the game mode. I'm going to put it back in, but a bit slightly different. And yeah. What else I did? Oh yeah, and also I put the add widget, in the HUD class. And here it is, just testing it out. And it works as expected. There's no noise, and I think this is me making the blueprint for the function that would be the live system. So I'm making a variable called extra live, and I'm just going to make the live system by just taking that variable and then minusing it. So that's what we'll be doing. And let's see what to do here. Alright, I just naming it, trying to figure it out. And then I just gonna set it up real quick. I just speeded up the footage. So yeah, things like it's going fast. It's very simple to get this up, and I will create. And basically, I just copy and paste the level name, and I just put in open level. So if it's less than 0, then I will then it will open up the main menu. But if it's not equal to 0, well, then this reopens the level. And that's what the current get level is. Okay. Here am I trying to here am I setting up things, so it works, but it's not, so okay, but so now here I'm just minusing it, and I'm just kind of struggling to see why it's not working. I'll eventually know why, but it's just simple one thing I'm missing, and that simple thing is, well, game instance. So here am I creating a game instance. So this is what so this is me figuring it out actually. So this is before I figured out that I need to make a game instance. So alright, so here am I trying to figure out the thing. So indeed it is working, but I don't know why it's not persisting. So that's one of the things I noticed, it's not persisting. And that is just he's struggling here, figuring out why it's not working. And I kind of jumped the gun, but I did figure it out. Just a whole bunch of craziness. And after some time, after research, it took me a couple of days to figure it out. The thing I needed was actually a game instance. So that's what I need. Game instance. That's what I needed. And here am I, just created the game instance. So it's almost identical. And I put it in the player pawn. So I just do that instead. So all I do is just, the same thing I always do. You know, if it's less than 0, open the main menu. If it's not equal to 0, if it equals to 0, open the main menu. If it's not equal to 0, reset the level. And here's the game instance. All it is just a variable, it's just stored. Just call it live, so whatever. And so to access that, I just go to all you need is go to project settings, and all I do is go to the games with maps and modes, and I put it under we got game instance, and I place the game instance there, and everything would work. Everything should work now. In fact, I know exactly why this will work. It will work. I have fixed it, everything, and now it's just going to play the game. What can possibly be wrong? That was embarrassing. Oh, I just fixed it. I fixed it. There we go. And here we go. And here it goes working. Anyways, this is good. So, here's kind of me failing at killing myself there. And now here we go. So let me do this. And yeah, I was going to let this play. But anyways, this is Dino Dragon. I will see you next time. I will see ya. And peace. Hey, you still watching? Good. This is the end of the video. Just wanted to say, like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Also give you a like or dislike so I know exactly what if I'm doing good or not. Also, make sure to comment down below. Tell me what you think, so I'd like to know. Anyways, this is Dino Dragon. See you later.